Manipur thokliba Irang Asi Loisinaba political level khaktada wari sanariba sigi mathakta lamdam asigi CSO sing yauna grassroot level dagi level khudingmakta dialogue Chathaba Tangai Phadaba Lei haina Center for Study of Society and Secularism ki Director Irfan Engineer na phongdorakli Mumbai da based the Center for Study of Society and Secularism na Irang Asi ki matangda furup anima ke mihut singa wari sanaruraba matung Manipur Press Club ki Kobru Conference hoda pangthokpa paugi mifam amada wafam asi phongdokladuna mahakna hai Center for Study of Society and Secularism na kumja lising amaga chamapan marifatara kumdoi dagi hauraga India gi tongan ba mafamda thokiba conflict singi matangda thijinduna lakli Center asigi mihut singna lamdam asida thokliba Irang asiga mari lainana mamang chegi November thada laklame Madugi matungda amuk hanna haukibo October 19 da lamdam asida lakpani Mamangi Kongchanaduda Churachandpurda Chalure aduga hantak lakpa asidana Technopol amasung Moreda Chalure maike animak ki mioi kayaga wari sanabada Irang asina maram oiraga mipum khudingmak ware haibasi khangba ngamlei Irang asina maram oiraga lamdam asigi chakko thawrangi thabak thawram khudingmak mangam salhandana bagi achoba machak ama oiraklei maram aduna Irang asi loishinaba center amasung state animakna serious oiba khongthang sing lokhatbagi tangai phadaba lei purup anigi marakta wakalon amade chanabigi khenaba kaya leirabasu matam amada amata oina punna hingminarami haibasi ningsingduna tangdulai taba hanjilangnaba lambi punna thiminabagi tangai phadaba leire Study for Center for Study of Society and Secularism na Irang Asigi waroshin purangna ba hodarabasu Irang Asi kanana chumina traga kanana lali haibadudi just tawadaba nate wato khudingmaki waroshin amamam soidana leigani haiba wakalon asina mang tharaga Irang Asigi waroshin ama purangna ba amata oina hona minasi hainasu mahangna makatana phongdokhi
The pathway to peace, of course, has to begin with dialogue, bringing people together. The state and the government of India could have done this long ago. It need not have waited for 17 long months to take some initiative. But even as they say in Hindi, Der aaye durust aaye, better late than never. It's better, even if it started late, it's welcome. We hope the process continues, is sustained continuously. There is a dialogue, but we need dialogue at all levels, not just at political level. Of course, it is welcome at political level as well, between the MLAs and political representatives. But this dialogue process has to start at civil society and grassroots workers as well.
Paugi mifam aduda Center for Study of Society and Secularism ki Executive Director Neha Davade na hai Center asigi mihut signa maite amasung kuki animaki relief camp singda changduna yengsilubada nungnang ningai oiba phibam kaya thengnarakhi maruoina nupi angang amade naha oiriba singda Irang asigi achoba safu ama phangli Yung kay thadokuna relief camp ta leiba haibasi nungaiba thabak amadi nate mamangda center asigi mihut singna laklambadu laihoba relief camp singi phibam ka hauji oiramliba phibam asiga yengnabada safarakpagi mami ama fauba taramdaba silaibak thibani Irang asina maram hoiraga nupi singi mathakta chathakhiba crime sing adugi achumba wayel phanghanna honabagi tangai phadaba lei Maike animaki mioi kaya unaduna wari sanabada Irang asi loishal haningba mina yamba thengnarai Maramaduna Irang asigi waroshin ama puraktuna Manipur ki mahosagi punsida hanjinna honabada pumna magna thodang lominasi haina sumana makatana phongdokhi
Recommendation would also be that the state on urgent basis on war footing think about rehabilitating these 70,000 odd people, internally displaced people. There is no way people can continue living uprooted from their homes and living in relief camps. Also, when it comes to the horrible crimes that have been committed against women, unspeakable crimes, there has to be some justice. There has to be criminal justice. The system has to kick in. It has to take cognizance and deliver justice soon. Delayed justice is no justice. And anyways, I think that process has been very tardy. So all the victims have to have justice. That is a non-negotiable for any peace. So there has to be justice. And that is one of our strong recommendations.